What's the meaning of backstreet? Backstreet. Backstreet.
Backstreet. Backstreet. Backstreet can have several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, it refers to a street that is located behind another main street or a less traveled street that might be considered obscure or unknown to many people. It can also refer to a place or area that is hidden from plain sight and often associated with illicit or underground activities. In popular culture, backstreet is mostly associated with the American boy band, Backstreet Boys, which enjoyed tremendous success during the late 1990s and early 2000s. Overall, backstreet implies a sense of obscurity, hiddenness, or marginality.